Hello, welcome to room 247 here at the Courtyard Marriott, Raleigh, Midtown. I'm here on a work trip. Standard door security. I can't tell if that's actually doing something physical or if it's just electronic. Bathroom right here, and then the rest of the room. Got your traditional motel layout bathroom. Sink out here. Hello. Tissues, soap, lotion, makeup wipes, trash can below. Ironing board, extra blankets, hangers. You do get a laundry bag, which is nice. And a luggage rack. Bathroom. Shower has these glass sliding doors. Looks like a fairly big shower head. One of these styles. Of course, your soap's on the wall like everybody does now. Plastic. Doesn't really matter. Towels. Toilet. Door is here on a 180-degree hinge with enough but not a ton of clearance. I couldn't tell you anything about this toilet. Very long and slow flush, but it does flush. That's all that matters to me. Lock on the door. That's not a given on all bathroom doors these days. I didn't go over, but there's a GFCI outlet there. And there's your kind of weird looking light fixture above the thing, which broadcasts kind of a weird style light, but whatever. And you get sconce light in the room. I don't understand. Thermostat. When I came in, it was set at 70. It was kind of stuffy. And this little nightstand here with a phone, paper pen, of course. And beneath this light, you get one outlet. Bed. It looks like the same deal on that side. Haven't actually walked all the way back there yet. You get a clock over here. Yep, same deal. Ew, it's a different color temperature though. And it's the only one of that color temperature in the whole room. No. That one is cooler than the rest of the room. I do not like that. You have kind of a small old TV. This thing is a chunk. Cable box mounted behind, which is kind of nice. And you can see those composite inputs. Yeah, this thing is old, but it works. I only have it on because it was already on when I came in here, so I just changed it to a local news channel and left it. Fridge down here, with no clearance. Ooh, it's empty. You can actually use it. and it doesn't have a crazy frost buildup. Very good. Coffee. And fancy water, which typically means it's paid water, and a very expensive one at that. So do not touch the water. As you can see, I already have my own drink cup here anyway. Don't move my bag down on the end. Standard literature. Your little desk area with entirely pull-outable desk. Don't really understand that, but sure. Little itty bitty garbage can. P-Tech unit. Wonder if they fully removed the, yep. It works. And it's got this guard here to keep it from blowing the curtain around. That's kind of nice. See others that don't have that. My view is trees. I've had worse. At least the trees kind of block the parking lot and the freeway that is back there through the trees. Not getting a lot of noise though, which is good. Couch, one of these little table things, and an ottoman. This light has outlets on it. Kind of cool, but kind of a weird spot for them. Otherwise, pretty sure that's about it. This is not a big room, not a ton to see, but it is nice. Hope you enjoyed.